Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install FaceFusion. What you need to do is head over to Google and search for Pinocchio installer like so and click on the first link, and then we're going to click on download. From there you're going to click on download for Windows. As you can see, this zip will pop up. To extract it at first, so let's do that. Then extract, and then this is the application. So more info, run anyway, and then it's going to be installed, so you need to have some patience for that. And then as you can see, let's change the theme to dark. Click on save. As you can see, standby, do not close this window, so we will wait for it. Once it loads up, we're gonna go to visit discover page, and then we're gonna search for FaceFusion, this one, and then we're gonna click on download and then click on install, and it's going to be installed. And this is a lot of codes, so this will also take a lot of your time, so you need to wait until all 9 of these codes are installed. Once it will be done, there will be this thing on the left side which will say launch default. You just need to click on that, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.